Wood is popular in furniture making for several reasons. It offers a natural beauty with unique grains, colors, and textures, allowing for a wide range of styles from rustic to modern. Many types of wood are strong and long-lasting, making them suitable for furniture that withstands daily use. Wood can be shaped and finished in various ways, allowing for creative designs and functionality in furniture pieces. When sourced responsibly, wood is a renewable resource, making it an environmentally friendly choice compared to synthetic materials. Wooden furniture often feels warmer and more inviting than metal or plastic options, enhancing the overall comfort of a space. High-quality wooden furniture can retain its value over time, making it a worthwhile investment. Wood can often be refinished or repaired more easily than other materials, extending the life of the furniture. Many people appreciate the craftsmanship associated with wooden furniture, which often reflects traditional techniques and artisanal skills. These are just some of the factors which contribute to wood's enduring popularity in the furniture industry. Regarding woodworking project ideas, there are several of them to choose from. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you another collection of contemporary woodworking project ideas for your next woodworking venture. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on daily basis. So, if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Woodworking is both an art and a craft that involves shaping and assembling wood to create functional and aesthetic objects. From furniture to intricate carvings, woodworking has a rich history that spans thousands of years. Woodworking dates back to prehistoric times when early humans used simple tools to create basic structures and utensils. The earliest known wooden artifacts date back to around 7000 BCE, found in places like the Neolithic site of Çatalhöyük in Turkey. As civilizations advanced, so did woodworking techniques. In ancient Egypt, wood was used for furniture, boats, and tombs. The Egyptians developed advanced joinery techniques and used wood from local trees such as sycamore and cedar. Similarly, ancient Greeks and Romans utilized wood for construction and furniture, often incorporating intricate carvings. The Middle Ages saw woodworking flourish in Europe, with guilds forming to regulate craftsmanship. This period also marked the rise of specialized tools and techniques. The Renaissance brought about a renewed interest in aesthetics, leading to the creation of ornate furniture pieces. In the 18th and 19th centuries, the Industrial Revolution transformed woodworking with the introduction of machinery. While this increased production speed, it also led to a decline in traditional craftsmanship. However, the late 20th century saw a resurgence in interest in handmade woodworking, as people sought unique and sustainable products. Woodworking encompasses a variety of techniques that can be broadly categorized into three main areas: joinery, shaping, and finishing. Joinery refers to the methods used to connect pieces of wood together. Strong joints are essential for the durability and stability of wooden structures. Shaping involves altering the form of wood to achieve the desired design. Finishing enhances the appearance and protects the wood. Woodworking requires a variety of tools ranging from hand tools to power tools. Woodworking is a timeless craft that combines artistry with functionality. From its ancient origins to modern applications, woodworking continues to evolve while maintaining its core principles of craftsmanship. Whether you're a hobbyist or a professional craftsman, woodworking offers endless possibilities for creativity and expression. As sustainability becomes increasingly important, embracing responsible practices ensures that future generations can enjoy the beauty and utility of this remarkable material. The choice of wood in furniture making significantly impacts the final product's aesthetics, durability, and sustainability. Understanding the characteristics of various types of wood, from the robust strength of oak and walnut to the lightweight nature of pine, enables craftsmen and consumers alike to make informed decisions tailored to their specific needs. By considering factors such as purpose, aesthetics, budget constraints, environmental impact, and regional availability, one can select the perfect wood type for any furniture project. Whether opting for the timeless elegance of cherry or the rustic charm of reclaimed pine, each piece tells a story rooted in the natural beauty of wood. The integration of modern design principles with traditional woodworking techniques paves the way for innovative and functional furniture pieces. Woodworkers are constantly exploring new ways to push boundaries, utilizing digital tools and advanced joinery methods to create furniture that is both aesthetically pleasing and structurally sound. Wood can be easily shaped and crafted into a wide range of furniture styles, from traditional to modern designs. This flexibility allows for endless creativity and innovation in furniture making, ensuring that there is a wooden piece to suit every taste and decor style. Using wooden craft ideas and scrap wood projects is a great way to be environmentally conscious, save money, unleash your creativity, and create beautiful and functional objects for your home. Wooden craft ideas and scrap wood projects come in all shapes and sizes, catering to various skill levels and interests. Beginner-friendly projects include coasters, picture frames, wall arts, spice racks, herb planters, and so on. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked contemporary woodworking project ideas for your next woodworking venture. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.